All right, Calculus, welcome to your review unit lesson video number 8, I believe, exercise 0.5, page 11, getting towards the end of your review unit packet. Convert each into fractional or root form. So 4 to the negative second, that is 1 over 4 to the positive second, 1/16. 5 to the 2/3, I'm going to square 5. I can do that first. If I square 5, I get 25. Then I'm taking the third root of it, the third root of 25. 4 to the negative 2/3. It's 1 over 4 to the 2/3. So I'm going to square 4. Gives me 16. I'm going to take a third root of it. All right. Convert each into exponential form. So 2 over x to the third. If x to the third is in the denominator, I can write that as 2 times x to the negative third. On 12, that's 3 over 2 times the square root in the denominator that I'm multiplying, that is. The square root of x to the third, that means I have x to the 3 over 2 down below. So it's going to be 3/2 times x to the negative 3 over 2. On 15, 2 to the 1/2 is the square root of 2. The square root of 8 divided by the square root of 2. I can divide. I have the square root and the square root, so I can divide them both. The square root of 8 divided by 2 is the square root of 4, which is 2. Then, if I square 1/3, I'm going to get 1/9. 2 divided by a 9th, multiply top and bottom by 9. Because if I divide it by 9th, I'm really multiplying by 9. I get 18. All right, next page here. This is going to be a pretty short video. Another thing from, you guessed it, Honors Algebra 2. Here we are, exercise 0.5, page 12. Again, these are selected ones we probably won't have time to touch in class. Remember, e to the natural log x is x, and the natural log of e to the x is x. Here's y. Log base e of x, that is what the natural log x is. Natural log x is log base e. Remember, when I convert this to exponential form, that's the base, that's the exponent, and that is what we call the answer. So e to the natural log x, boom, gives you x. So there we go. So if I want to solve each equation for x, I'm going to write the exact answer, no decimals. Need to attach natural log to both sides. Attach natural log to both sides, then 4x comes on down. 4x equals natural log 3 divided both sides by 4. Okay. Natural log 3 divided by 4. That is a great answer for now and in general. So I have, this is an interesting one. I have natural log of e to the 2x. Well, folks, these already cancel. That 2x is going to come on down. What do I do here? Should be that. So natural, oh, nope. Since I know that natural log of e to the x is x, FYI, I know, oh, no, just having a real heck of a time here. Since I know that, this will come on down. I know 2x is equal to 6, so x is 3. That one is actually pretty easy. 35 is kind of a tricky one. Ugh. You might think, oh, I'll move this over. They don't have the same exponent, though, so I can't combine them. It's not going to be negative 5 e to the x or negative 5 e to the negative x. Or if I move it over here, it's not going to be 5 e to the x or 5 e to the negative x. No, I'm going to multiply everything by e to the x. Now this is going to be e to the 2x. That's going to be e to the x. If I multiply this by e to the x times e to the negative x will be e to the 0, negative x plus x. E to the 0 is 1. So I'm going to move both those terms over there. This is like saying x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. How does that factor? Instead of x minus 3x plus 2, it's going to be e to the x minus 3, e to the x plus 2. And now I'm going to attach natural log to both sides. X will come on down. Type in natural log of negative 2, undefined. Natural log 0 is undefined. We need to know that natural log 1, 0, those are important. Can't have natural log of 0 or a negative number. All right, natural log 3 is my one true answer. Then, last one for this video. Products property of logs, natural logs. Again, natural log is log base e. So it's not going to be x plus x minus 1. is 2. Instead, this is the product property. Addition in the log world is multiplication. So it's going to be natural log of x times x minus 1 is natural log 2. Now, because I have natural log, I can set this equal to that. So x squared minus x, when you distribute, is equal to 2. Move the 2 over, factor time, you get x equals negative 1 and x equals 2. But, let's go back here. If I plug in 2 here, I have natural log 2, which is valid. For natural log 1, which is 0. So natural log 2 equals natural log 2. Check. Plug negative 1 in here. I can't have the natural log negative 1. I can't have the natural log of negative 2. Those are undefined. X equals negative 1 is extraneous because both natural log of negative 1 and natural log negative 2, they're undefined. So, folks, I think that's a good place to stop for video 8. This is Yak Math Videos, signing out.